In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in the Gemini app. If you want to switch from English to another language, I'll guide you step by step on how to do it. First, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the app. From there, go into Settings, and you may see a language option, where you can change the language directly within the app. If you don't see this option, there's another way to change it. Go back to your phone's home screen and open Settings. Scroll down and tap on General, then scroll again and select Language and Region. Tap on Add Language and choose the new language you want to use on your iPhone. You'll be asked if you want to set it as your primary language. Just tap Use Language to confirm. Once that's done, open the Gemini app again, and the language should now be updated to your selected language. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you.